Do you want to build your website without coding? Yes, this is the right platform for you and right video for you. So the best platform and the best Elementor is here for you. So if you want to develop your site, then Elementor is the best for you. So hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about the Elementor of WordPress, where you can simply build your website without anything else, without any issue. So if you feel that the coding is not for you and coding is bad, so this is best for you. So I have provided the referral link in the description box, so please check it out. If you follow the link, then you will get certain % discount over there. So then here you can see the interface of Elementor. So basically Elementor is like for the WordPress, so you don't have to build the site. Simply you can drag and drop all the things like a navbar and the home page and everything else, the pages and the post blog, everything else you can simply drag and drop. Then after you will be able to make the beautiful website. So Elementor is the best for you. So these are the Elementor. Like here you can see like web creation, products and resources. Will describe, we will see all those overview. So simply follow the video till end. So here you can see like these are the like things where you can simply elevate your skills and grow professionally. So these are the things that provides by the Elementor. So simply in the coding, like for example, if you use HTML, CSS, then you need to do coding and all these things. You need to provide CSS, then only you will be able to make those sites. But with the help of Elementor, it's very easy and simple to just build a site over here. So simply you can see like 14 million plus website are designed and developed with the help of Elementor. So Elementor is a very popular, like this is a platform where you can simply build a site that I have already told you. So let's delve into it. Like for the web creation, let me just select one, like for example all features we are going to see. So here are the features. Like if you want an editor, drop and drag and drop editor, 300 plus designer made templates. So here are the already made templates provided in the Elementor. Simply you need to choose them and which Elementor is best for you. Then definitely you can simply select that Elementor. Then after you will be able to create a beautiful website. So live editing option is also there, workflow optimization, management, everything you can see in depth. So save and backup, kids library, like pop-ups, template, every features are provided here. So in coding, so you have to invest a lot of money over there, but in the Elementor for the WordPress, it's kind of like it's like a gift for you. Like it's a beautiful gift that the WordPress Elementor provided you, because you don't have to hire a professional developer and you need to invest like thousands of dollars. You don't have to invest that amount of money to build a very professional website. Just because of Elementor, you will be able to like make and build like in a very cheap amount. So I will go for the pricing also. So first of all, see all these things, like everything here are the advanced features, everything it is provided by the Elementor of WordPress. So simply you have already see this. So let us go for the like product. So let me just show you. for the product website builder. Okay, simply you can see the interface over here all in one. Okay, so all in one, it means like that you will get everything, whatever you want to build, whatever you want to develop, whatever you want to add on your website. Simply all the features and all the key Elementors are here, so you don't have to worry about it. So simply go for the resources also, like Elementor, show off, everything else. So let's visit for the Elementor show off. So simply here are the templates. So if you visit this site, so you will be able to make this kinds of site within an hour by yourself. So simply you can follow the tutorial video also. So simply you can see like this kinds of website you can simply build with the help of Elementor. Simply drag and drop all these things, all this equipment, all these tools from Elementor, then you will be able to make this. So okay, I think the color of the Elementor is like skin in color, so that's why it is invisible. So you may change the color also, but I personally say that don't use these kinds of things. So websites will be SEO and user friendly, so you may visit other site also like this. For example, here you can see it's loading. Okay, so for the marketplace and for the business, simply you can use this Elementor, this kinds of, you can make this kinds of website through Elementor. So it's just a very easy and simple process. So simply you need to just understand and you need to know what type of website you need, what kind of color or called brand color for your website, everything else you can see over there, and then after you will be able to make these kinds of beautiful website without coding. So it's just not a very expensive, so I will go for the pricing also. So here you can see there are lots of like a demo website which has been built with the help of Elementor. Okay, now we are moving towards the Elementor hosting plan. Means you will be able to see these kinds of interface like basic, business, and grow and pro. Okay, simply you can choose one of them. Here are the basic features. All the features are provided here. If you choose out of 4, like if you choose for the basic, then you will get these kinds of features. If you go for the premium, then you can see these kinds of features, and if you for the 3 website, then you will be able to see these kinds of features. So you can build not only one site, you can build many sites through Elementor. Over 14 million plus website has been built with the help of Elementor. So simply you need to select the plan, then after you need to create an account. So simply enter an email, then after password. Okay, so after that you will be able to create your account in Elementor. So then after you will be able to purchase those plans and pricing. So it's a very cheap amount. So if you hire a developer, that I've already told you, then they cost a very high, so go for it. So personally I love Elementor parts of WordPress. So whenever I just build a website for my client and for me also, so I use Elementor part. So simply you can sign in to Elementor, then after you will be able to log in. So after creation of your account, you need to sign in, then after you will be able to purchase all those plans and all those things. So simply read the very carefully those pricing and plan, then after go through it. So but personally it is a very like a good platform, good things that I have ever seen. Okay, so you have all these things. You can simply visit the site through our referral link which is in the description box. Please check it out. So simply you can see all these things like one platform, unlimited web creation. Yeah, that's true. So you can simply make your portfolio, everything, portfolio, website, e-commerce website, e-commerce, and like for the business, for everything. It's very important, and for daily purpose, like for the developer who wants to build website through WordPress. So all the things are here, so simply visit all these things. So please follow the referral link I have already told you, and if you like it, then you can simply purchase all those things. Please read the plans and pricing very carefully, then after you will be able to do all these things through Elementor. You can simply build a very beautiful website through Elementor. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading these kinds of interesting video more and more in the future. Till then, bye bye and take care.